Hi everyone, welcome to Veronika Hug. Today I want to show you a really nice way to end your knitting project. So you see here what this looks like, and I have here a turtleneck that I finished in this style or method. So I'm going to show you on a smaller piece. So this is a baby sock that I have here, and just for the sake of the length of the video, I'm going to show you on this how you can make a really nice ending on your knitting project. So if I would just cast this off as I always would, then on this side, so which would later be on the outside, this side here would be nice, and the other one would have the knots on it, and that's not something that we want. So that's why we're going to turn this work when we do the casting off. So I'm right here now, and we're going to have no hole there, unlike with regular casting off. So onto my first needle, I'm doing a yarn over. So it's actually the other way around. And then I'm going to cast the stitches off as I always would. All around, and for a pretty loose casting off, sometimes I do a yarn over before the purl stitch just to make it a little bit looser, because it does look nicer later that way, especially if you tend to work with pretty tight stitches. So I'm going to go all around like this, and this is exactly why I'm working on a little baby sock instead of a whole turtleneck, but it's the same method for every size and project. I'm halfway done, so we're gonna be there soon. Last needle. So this little sock I worked with the Charity from Woolly Hugs, and yeah, it's a really nice yarn to work with, especially for socks and similar projects. Okay, so now I'm at the last stitch. So here I have a purl stitch, so I'm doing a yarn over, and I'm gonna do the stitch purlwise with the yarn over, and then I'm gonna pull the stitch over my needle. Now we can cut the thread off and pull through. And now when I turn this the other way around, like we would for a turtleneck or a sock, then you see here that the edge is nice and looking good on both sides. So now if you want to turn it completely inside out, and then if you want to turn the top around, if you want to fold it over, then you see on this other edge it's still looking good, and the knots are not as prominent as they usually would be. And yeah, this is the prettier side in my opinion, but I think both look really good. And yeah, this is awesome for winter hats, for turtlenecks, for socks, for sleeves and sweaters, for pretty much anything where you want a nice edge, especially if you plan on folding it over like this when you're wearing it. So yeah, this is all I had for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, feel free to subscribe and shoot a thumbs up. and I'll see you in one of my next projects. Thanks for watching, Veronika Hug, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye!